Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Yes, you wonder, why the F am I here in the park? The reason is, you can be wherever you want and you can run a robot and you can make money. So, just keep that in mind. But lately I've seen at YouTube there are so many claims like this one. And this one. And this one there. That you can make this crazy money so fast. So, let's try it out using our own Alpha 1 iBot and let's see if we can make these claims that people are giving here at YouTube. So, this is the new type of videos I'm going to make from now on. So, I hope you enjoy it.
I appreciate you.
But before we do that, I will go make some coffee. It's early in morning. I need some energy. You will energize yourself with some coffee because I have seen other YouTubers do that. So why not copy? If it works for them, might work for us also. So let's do that. And yes, now after this fake video, even without sound, I will drink some coffee. It's not even a correct coffee compared with that video, but it's the best I can do. So, now we start to be energized. Let's start up Alpha 1 iBot and let's see how much money we can make with 8 trades. So let's start it up.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding.
And as you could see, 8 trades, 8 winners, and we have a bunch of money. So, like I always say in my videos, you find link below the video and you can get this robot also get started today. And make sure you use the promo code to get 100% on your first deposit. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have an amazing day.